In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide page in Notion, creating columns. If you've ever wanted to organize information side by side, like tasks next to notes or a calendar next to quick reminders, columns are the fastest way to make your pages cleaner and easier to scan. The good news is, creating them is quick, and you only need a couple of simple actions. Start by heading to the page where you want to add columns. On your page, type a / followed by the word column. In Notion, the / opens a command menu that helps you insert different types of content. As you type column, you'll see a list of choices appear. These options usually include ready-made layouts like 2 columns, 3 columns, and sometimes more, depending on what Notion is offering in your version. This menu is there to save you time, so you don't have to manually arrange things. Next, select how many columns you want to add. Pick the option that matches your layout vision. 2 columns for a clean, balanced split, or 3 or more if you're working with smaller snippets of information you want to compare at a glance. As soon as you select your choice, Notion will drop that structure right into your page. You'll see clear column areas ready for your content. From here, you can simply start typing into each column, paste in existing notes, or continue building your page just like you normally would. Now, with a side-by-side layout. A couple of helpful notes as you work. Choosing the right number of columns is mostly about readability. 2 columns tend to be easiest on the eyes for longer text, while 3 or more work best for shorter items like quick links, stats, or checklists. If you're viewing your page on mobile, columns will stack vertically for a smoother reading experience. So it's a good idea to keep headings short and content concise. And if the / menu doesn't appear when you type, make sure your cursor is in a regular text area on the page and that you're typing /column without extra spaces. That's really all there is to it. Type /column, select how many columns you want to add, and you're done. With just those steps, you can turn a plain page into a polished workspace that's easier to navigate and more visually engaging. Give it a try on a dashboard, a project hub, or even a personal notes page, and enjoy the instant upgrade to your layout.